Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. I'm your teacher. My name is Sadaf. And today this is our English lesson. And in our English lesson, our today's topic is sound G. This is G. Do action with me. G, G, G. G, G, G. G, G, G. G is for gift. G is for girl. G is for gloves. G is for grapes. G is for glass. G, G, G. G, G, G. Let's start the phrase. G sound. This is the starting point. Start from the point. Go round, round, round. Go up, comes down, make a flip. This is G, 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 G. Start from the point. This is the starting point. Go round, go up. Don't pick the pencil. Comes down. Make a flip. This is G, 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 G. Okay, student, let's look eyes high. Look here. Eyes high. With my little eyes, something begins with G. G is for. Look here. G, 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 G. G is for gloves. G is for cross. G is for goat. G is for goat. G is for gate. G is for gate. G is for gloves. G is for grass. G is for green. Okay, pretty children. Today we learn sound G, 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 G. And now we will meet in our next lesson with our next sound. Allah Hafiz.